Hey everyone, this is Mobile Merchant. Now today I have for you guys a really amazing application that lets you make money by uploading and posting pictures. So all you have to do, you just have to go out, take your normal pictures, whatever you want, and as long as they're yours and they're original, then this app will actually pay you either 25 cents or up to $2 just for uploading and posting your photos. But before I continue, if you want more awesome money-making videos showing how to massively grow your income online, remember to subscribe to the Mobile Merchant YouTube channel. Alright, so the app I want to show you guys today, you can see here in the top left corner of my screen, it is called Kiki. And I will be also putting the download link in the description below, so make sure you check that out if you want to check out this app for yourself. So now, when you open up the app, you're going to be brought into, well, let's go to the homepage first. So you're going to be brought to this homepage, and at this homepage you can see there are different pages that you can follow. So you have a feed here, and you can follow different pages, and with these pages you can see they have different posts. So people will post on these pages, and you can just see what they have posted, or you could even post your own onto these pages yourselves. So you can also, if you want to find new pages that you want to follow, you can go onto the Explore tab, and on the Explore tab you can see here there are many different pages. Alright, so now you may be wondering, how do you post yourself and how can you earn money? So first, let me show you guys where you can see how much you've earned. So you can see here, if you go into this little money tab, you can see your total revenue. And you can see here that they do have proof of payment. You can see that people have been paid, and I'll be also posting some more links showing proof of payment in the description below, so you can also check that out for yourself to see screenshots of people that have actually also earned money from Kiki. So before I go into all of this and how you can get paid and how much you can get paid, let me first go into how you can post pictures, because that is the way that you can actually earn money from this application. So what you're going to have to do, you go to this plus sign in the top right corner, and you can see here it says post title. You just give it a title. You can also put a description, and you can also specify which page you want to post it on. So if you just tap on the page, you can see here, these are the different pages that I'm following. It'll be different for you if you follow different pages. And from there, you can also put in your own photo that you've taken before, or video. You can take a photo at that moment, or you can also take a video and post that. So now, once you post a photo, like I said, you can earn between 25 cents and $2 for every photo that you post, as long as it's original. So now we can go through here, and we can discuss the different ways that you can withdraw, and also what like the threshold is. So you can see here, how do I collect money that I earn on Kiki, and it says here, when you earn when you reach a $75 threshold, you have to click on the purple receive button, and depending on how you want to be paid, you'll be asked to enter your information to receive your $75. And you can see here, they have multiple different payment methods. So they have PayPal, they have Bitcoin, Western Union, they can even pay to your debit or credit card. They have Google Pay, and they have Paytm. So you can see that they have a whole ton of options. PayPal, I know, is very popular with you guys, and I'm sure you're welcome to see that, and very happy, especially because you can use it to pay for literally anything. There's like no limit with PayPal. It's just like another bank account. There's also debit or credit card, which is very new. I haven't seen many places that pay directly to your debit or credit card, but that is also a welcome addition. And there's also Bitcoin for those of you that prefer to use cryptocurrency. So like it says here, the minimum earnings is $75. And if you want to increase your earnings, it says here that Kiki pays $25 to $1, although I've heard from them that they actually pay $2, up to $2 per picture, and between $1 to $2 for every 400 words that you write. And if you want to help other publishers earn money, what you have to do is join their page, fire up their posts and share their posts with your friends. So that's the way that you can increase your own earnings, actually, is to encourage people to visit your page and share your posts and react to your posts too. So if you can build up a popular page, then you'll be well on your way to earning a lot more money. So there's this thing called super creators, and those are select creators on Kiki whose posts are always original, and these users receive extra exposure. So if you want to be a super creator, you have to create amazing original content and then email it to them. So why need points to post? Well, what Kiki does is they make money from the points, and then they return 90% of the revenue to you. So every time you post, you're going to earn these points, and like it says here, they'll give you back the majority of the profits. If your revenue was not growing, then what you have to do is make sure you follow the rules, and then wait a few minutes and close or open the app, and the number will add up. And also, you can only post 8 times per 24 hours, and you have to always receive every point before you post. Payment, we talked about that already. And then if you want to become a super creator, read that post, and if you meet all of the qualifications, then you just email it to them and with the points link, and they'll review it. And then after you receive the once you reach the $75 threshold, you can request your payment, and the Kiki team will review your account in 24 to 48 hours to make sure you have followed all of the policy. And then once your account is approved, then you will receive your $75 depending on your location and also the payment method that you selected. So like I said, this is a super simple app to do and to use and to earn money from, because all you do is just take pictures, which I'm sure many of you do every day anyway. And like I said, just post it and you can earn a whole ton of money very quickly as well. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like, and remember to subscribe to the Mobile Merchant YouTube channel for more tips on maximize your income online and at home.